What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You've just seen the newest vehicle in our fleet. I'd like you to meet our 2004 Chevrolet 2500 HD 6.6 liter LB7 Duramax. And would you just look at her? Absolutely beautiful. So this is the 2004, not the 2004 and a half, LB7 Duramax diesel. Crew cab, long bed. So we've been looking for a while to try to get a new vehicle, one that we can tow with. We have the Ram, but it's over 300,000 miles. Didn't really want to keep putting load on it. And especially for the business, towing heavier stuff, I do not want to put that kind of load on a 300,000 mile transmission. So we have this diesel. And this is the first diesel that I've ever owned. So I was looking for a diesel when we were looking at things, specifically just because I wanted to try it, something that's new, something that I've never had before, but wanted to kind of get my feet wet in the diesel game and see what it's all about, especially with the things that we do hauling the dump trailer and going to be hauling some campers and stuff like that, just to have a little bit more pulling power. And it's in really good shape, especially for being 21 years old. The frame is in really good condition. Nothing major on the frame or in the fenders. The only little bit of rust that we have is on the rockers right there. There's another spot right there. Really nice up front. Really like the wheels as well. And then really our only other rust spot is back here on this rocker. So it's in really good shape. I mean, you don't see any, the paint's not fading or peeling up. You know, I don't know if this had been kept in a carport or garage or anything like that for its life. Who knows, but it's in really good condition. The only bad thing about this truck is it's a California truck. So it has the wonderful things that California made them put on it. So we will be having to fix that because there is a check engine light for it. And we have the interior here. It's really nice. Just a little tear in the driver's seat here. Nothing big. We'll be getting seat covers for it anyways. But it has all the options. Dual climate control. We'll be getting an Apple CarPlay because South Carolina just went hands-free. It's got heated seats, which don't work right now. You can hear a relay click in the middle there when you push the button. So I think it's just the relay. Obviously it has the trailer brakes. And it is a factory DVD truck. So it does have a DVD player, and the DVD player does work. So super nice. Of course, four-wheel drive. I'll never have a truck that is not four-wheel drive. I was going to pop the hood, but I'll never have a truck that's not four-wheel drive anymore. Just especially because, you know, going to the dump, hauling the dump trailer, it can get pretty messy when it's wet. So I don't want to get stuck, or I don't want to get stuck anywhere. I want to have the option to have a four-wheel drive truck. So here's our engine, and of course, right there is our beautiful part, courtesy of the state of California. But really nothing too major going on in the engine. A couple bigger things is the hydro boost is leaking. So you can see that it's pretty wet back there. So that's something that we'll have to take care of. The power steering is leaking a little bit, although not a big deal. We can take care of it. Truck has no blow-by, which is great. And we'll start the engine up and I'll show you that. But as far as leaks and everything on the truck, it's hard to tell on the engine, of course, because you do have the couple things that are already leaking. So it's hard to tell if there's other stuff going on. But the transmission is dry, transfer case is dry, rear end's dry, front diff's fine. So that's all well and good. No major things going on with the transmission or transfer case, although we will be doing some things mostly just doing a full fluid refresh, refreshing all the fluids, getting them all changed so we know where we're starting off from. We'll be doing the transfer case pump rub kit, because I don't know if it's already been done or not, but I want to take it out and see, so might as well do it just to make sure we don't have any issues. And that's the main thing on this, is I just want to do everything we need to make this reliable and make sure this thing will go for another 250, 300,000 miles. So I want to own this thing forever and make sure it runs forever. So the couple things that we are going to do is I want to do coolant filtration up here. Going to do a fast lift pump to help with the fuel filtration. Got, of course, fixing the EGR issues, because we do have a code for the EGR valve being stuck, and we have a fuel temperature sensor code as well as a glow plug code. So those are the only codes that are on, but we can take care of the EGR stuff, and we're going to, and make sure that is taken care of for good. So let's go ahead and crank this thing up. So there you have it, 241,000. And the other thing we'll need to fix is the actuator for the driver's side AC vents. It'll just switch to hot randomly. So that is something that we're gonna have to fix. Truck also comes with an Astrodog, which is a big plus. So no blow by on it, which is great. If I can get this thing back in here. It's got no blow by, which is great. Sounds good up here. Then we don't have anything going on as far as any smoke or anything puffing out of the exhaust. So, you know, at 241,000, you know, the injectors on this truck when they first came out were an issue. I would assume at 241,000 that they've been done before. I don't know, but I would assume that they probably have been. But we have no injector issues. The injector balance rates were good when I bought it, so did check that. So those were all good, and we have, you know, no smoke or anything coming out. So it was great. Do need to replace the belt, and I think an idler, the tensioner, because the belt is afraid to touch. But the truck runs great, and you know, I'm really excited to have this. Really blessed that we're able to buy this and have this for us personally and for the business. It's going to be a great asset for us, and I'm just really thankful that we're able to buy it. So, you know, we are selling, or we did sell the Tacoma and selling the Ram to help, you know, pay for this. So it's sad to see those trucks go, but we are really excited to have this. I know it's probably my favorite, and I don't know if it's just because it's a diesel and it's something I've never had before, but I'm really excited to have it. I love it. I love driving it. Have it for about a week now, and I love it. Really awesome to have, really blessed to have it. So we're going to be doing a lot of different things to it, so keep your eyes out for videos coming on everything that we're doing to it, all the changes we're making, everything we're fixing and adding to it. So keep your eyes out for those videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.